Hi there, welcome to my channel MakeMathMakeSense, where we modernize math tutorials in 60 seconds or less. During the last couple years of tutoring, more and more of my students have been telling me that they don't find online math tutorials convenient or useful to study with. The first issue is they often don't find that they have access to a computer or a laptop all the time, but rather they use their phones to pull up YouTube videos to study from. The issue here is the content is not designed for a small phone screen. The second and much more common issue I hear is that they don't want to scrub through an hour-long video to try and find the small little concept they want to quickly learn. With studying for other classes, there isn't always time for this. Instead, YouTube short or TikTok-style videos would be ideal for them as they can quickly learn a concept and move on. So that's exactly what I've decided to do, introducing math hacks, which are short 20 to 60 second videos that can quickly teach you or refresh you on a concept before you head into that big test or exam. They cover a quick overview of a concept or problem, and they allow you to immediately find the answer to your question without needing to search through a long video to find the relevant part. These videos are designed specifically for your smartphone screen, so they allow you to watch these videos on the fly and not need to strain your eyes to see what's happening in a YouTube video that's designed for a computer. The only problem with YouTube short videos is that they tend to show up in very poor quality by default, and this makes some text harder to see. To fix this, there's a simple process you can do. First, click on your profile in the top corner. Next, go into your settings. From here, you want to go to your video quality preferences. And from here, you'll often see auto. If you want to change this, click on this, and you can choose the option to do higher picture quality. Now your videos will be extremely clear and you won't have trouble seeing what's going on. Now, in addition to math hacks, my channel has a variety of other different video types. Quick tips, for example, are 1 to 10 minute videos that cover a little bit more of a complex topic. They'll briefly cover more complex topics that can't really be fully explained in under a minute sufficiently, but they'll still try to be as short as possible. The next type is complete guides. These are 10-minute videos or more that are full-length tutorials that completely cover a concept in great detail. These combine together multiple different math hacks or quick tips videos and allow you to have an organized tutorial of a concept all in one video. Now, these are recommended to be watched on your computer or laptop, but if you really want to thoroughly know a concept, this is a great way to start and how to refresh best for a test if you're really not familiar with a subject area. The final type of video is homework help. These are shorter length videos that cover viewer-submitted homework problems. Please message me if you have any questions or help with a concept you don't quite understand, and I'll gladly make a video for you. Not all the time will I be able to cover every single problem you might encounter in your class, so if something's not covered on my channel, please let me know and I will happily make a video to help you out and get you prepared for that test. Finally, probably the most useful part of this channel is the playlist section. Here, I'll group together all different types of videos for a certain topic together and allows you to find any information about that topic you might find useful. In these playlists, it'll be a combination of YouTube shorts, quick tips, as well as complete guides and homework help. So whatever your question might be, if you know what topic area it's under, find the playlist for it, and you'll be able to find a variety of different videos all grouped together to help you best study. I hope you can enjoy my channel, and please let me know if there are any topics you want me to cover. I'm constantly updating this channel, adding new videos, but if there's an area you are particularly interested in and I haven't quite made the videos for it yet, please let me know and I can try to prioritize those to best help you study. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the channel.